I'm Ana Garcia from La Villa Bonita Culinary Vacations, and this is my partner in crime.
What's that?
Just say who you are, you silly boy.
My name is Agus.
Your name is Agustin, yes. And so we are making today, what are we making, Agus? Stop touching your mouth. You need to speak up, sir.
Brownies.
We're making brownies. And why are we making brownies? You don't remember why we were making brownies? Haven't you been pestering me for about a week about making brownies? Maybe 2 weeks together? And then you wanted to make a video about making brownies? Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so let's just tell them what the ingredients are. We have butter, and this is 1 pan of butter. We have 1.5 pounds of semi-sweet chocolate, which I'm cutting up. Yes. We have 7 eggs right here from Rob's Chickens. Sorry, Rob. Okay, that we need to crack. And 2 1/4 cups of sugar, cocoa, and we use natural cocoa, and it's 1/4 cup. 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, homemade, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you have nuts, optional. So the first thing we're gonna do is we have to melt the butter and the cocoa. Okay, Agus? Okay, so I'm gonna cut the cocoa, or the chocolate, okay? And then after I have it cut, please don't put your finger in there. You need to wait. You can get some of it, but you need to wait until after I'm done with the knife, or you could lose a finger, right?
Yes.
Would you like to lose a finger, sir? Okay. Okay. That would not be fun, right? Okay. That would not make for a fun video, right? Okay, so we're gonna put all our chocolate and our butter in one bowl. And I don't have a microwave, but you could do this in the microwave, and this makes an insane amount of brownie. You can have some of it, yes, you can. I actually measured just a little bit more just so you could have it. So this is gonna go on this stove on a bain-marie. We are making a video a day during these turbulent times because of help from you in the form of future reservations, deposits, and donations. Your help is critical right now. When the economy suffers, we know that not everybody can chip in at the moment. If it's not easy, don't worry about it, just enjoy the show. But if you can help, La Villa Bonita needs your money now more than ever. Please go to lavillabonita.com for more information. As always, I'm grateful for your time and generosity. And remember, we will travel again. Let's plan your next trip with me to La Villa Bonita, and let's get cooking.
Put the camera on you. Time for Agus chef time.
Okay, Agus chef time. So now that we have the butter and the chocolate melted, can you help me crack the eggs that we are gonna have to use here? It's your specialty. So, hey, remember, we don't crack them on the edge. We crack them on the table. And once they're cracked, you open them right there. Okay? Very good, Agus. Let's try not to crack them so hard, so we don't have shells on our brownies. Okay? No extra calcium, please. Okay? No extra calcium, please. So we have 7 eggs here. These are eggs from our chickens, right, Agus?
Yes.
For Papito's chickens that he takes really good care of.
Yes.
Okay. You want to do it? Oopsies, I'll take it out. Don't worry. I'll take it out. You keep going. You keep going, and I'm gonna just put all our shells here. Ale, ¿me pasas una toallita para que se limpie las manos, Agus? Húmeda. Okay, we got that, right? Okay, Agus, wait. We have... So now that we have the eggs, right? We're gonna whisk it together, Agus, right? So you start whisking.
Like this?
And then once you have it whisked or broken up, we're gonna add 2 1/4 cups of sugar, right? So mix it together, please. Okay. Mix it really, really well.
Because of all the sugar.
It does smell really good. We're gonna add in there a tablespoon of homemade vanilla extract, right?
Yes.
But you can use commercial vanilla extract. Just try and use the natural stuff. Okay.
I love vanilla.
You love vanilla. So we don't really make brownies. Alexa, timer off. So we don't really make brownies at the cooking classes, but this is one of Agu's favorite things to do, right, Agus?
Yes.
So we thought we would share, right? So now that it's nicely mixed, I'm gonna add in here a little bit of this, it's hot chocolate with butter, but just, you need to stir while I mix or while I add, because we don't wanna cook, we don't wanna make scrambled eggs, okay, Agus? Okay, keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving. This is called tempering. So what we're doing is trying to put the eggs at the same temperature as our butter and chocolate, right, Agus?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, it smells so chocolatey.
It smells so chocolatey. Okay. Can I help you? Okay. I'm just gonna mix this a little bit further, and then.
Chocolate's my favorite.
Okay.
My second favorite.
Yes, we're gonna come back when we have all our chocolate mixed, okay? So now we have all the chocolate in the eggs and the sugar, and I think the only reason he wanted to make brownies is so he could lick the spoon with you. Are you gonna still hang out with me while I make the rest of the brownies?
Yes.
Or add the rest of the stuff? Yes. So okay, we have 1 cup of flour in here, and to that cup of flour I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Since my tablespoon of baking powder is wet, I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons.
You put it in and I add it.
Okay, that sounds good. So, what have we talked about manners? Huh? Sir, do we clean our mouth with our shirts?
No.
Okay, you stir that with a spoon, please. Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Okay.
So it's stirring.
Yes, that's good. Now you can start adding it in here. Just add half of it. Agus. Oh, and I also have 1/4 cup of just dark cocoa, okay?
This much?
Yes. You need to add it all, honey.
What?
So let's do half. Okay, and I'm not gonna really whisk it in. I'm just gonna fold it in, even with this whisk.
Can I help you?
You can help me. Yes, you can do that part. But the idea is that we don't mix too much, okay?
Like this?
Uh-huh. And you might want to go around a little bit like this. Let me show you. Okay, like
that.
Then twirl, twirl, twirl. I'm gonna add the rest. And my recipe also calls for a teaspoon of coffee. I think I have some instant coffee here. Yep, I do. So we're gonna do a teaspoon of instant coffee, but if you don't have it...
Inside here, so I'm trying to do this.
Okay. Hey, how about you go get me a big spatula from over there while I finish this? Sounds good?
A big one?
Yes, a big one. I have a really big white one, Agus. So we can put so we can put a spatula, plastic one, white. Yep. Okay, so the idea is that you don't over mix it, because if you do, then they can get like kind of stiff. So just when you see that it's all nice and comes together, you can add nuts to it, but we don't like nuts. So now we're gonna put it in the mold, right, Agus?
Maybe just a little.
Of what?
Of nuts.
Okay, maybe next time. You wanna have this one? Okay, I'll see you later. I'm just gonna put this here. The pan has been buttered and floured. If you have parchment paper, it's better to put parchment paper. But I don't have any anymore. We've run out of, and we've decided we are just using what we have. So I'm gonna put this here. And then it's gonna go in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna pull it out and drop it I'll show you how that's done. And then we're gonna do another 20 minutes. So we're just gonna lay it out like this. And it's gonna go in the oven, Rob. Okay, let's open the oven door.
Greater color energy for. Yeah, okay. So let's talk about that. What exactly?
Going in the oven now. Alexa, set a 20-minute timer. See you in 20 minutes. So my timer for 20 minutes is done. And I'm gonna take my brownie out and I'm gonna bang the brownie on right here. 1, 2, 3, okay? Because no oven is even heat, and that's not your oven, all ovens do that. We are gonna turn it and then put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. The oven was at 350, I'm gonna put it at 317. Alexa, set a 20-minute timer. Okay, Abus, so our brownies are ready, we're gonna pull them out, okay?
Yes.
Be careful, it's hot. Stand back, please, sir. Thank you. Okay. So, they smell delicious, right, Agus? Yes. But we're gonna have to wait a couple hours before we cut into them. Ooh, are you sad? Okay, but in 2 hours we can cut them, okay?
Just a bit.
Just a bit. Maybe I'll give you just a little bit. Okay, give me a minute. Here, let's give you a little edge right here.
And then that one that broke.
It's very hot. That too. Okay. Cheers. Are you sharing? Cheers.